Y'all, I have entered a new level of bougie. I got this little mini fridge for my bathroom. Look how cute. It'll heat or it cools, and it only fit about 3 canned Cokes in there, but I really didn't get it for that. I had these face products that needed to be refrigerated every night, and I'd left them in the kitchen refrigerator, but I always forget because I have to go to the kitchen to use them. So now I have this in the refrigerator in my bathroom, and I'm so excited. It just makes a slight humming noise. I don't know if you can hear it. I just love it. And it's got that cord. I've got to do something about that, but I love it.